force. Glued to the game, I ain't divorced. Niggas follow them trends, I made the source. I just keep a little bit of my cold blood, put a little bit of my plus one. Don't know where to put my trust at. Nigga never had no trust fund. Keep a little bit of my glove, I put a little bit of my chimney. Come around all that rock, talking about shit we been did. Keep a little bit of my cold blood, put a little bit of my plus one. Don't know where to put my trust at. Nigga never had no trust fund. Keep a little bit of my glove, I put a little bit of my chimney. Come around all that rock, talking about shit we been did. Still a little nigga from the west side, good book and a blunt by the bedside. Gotta finish my work for the weekend, tryna bounce back on them for the peekend. My fam need bread, you keep the hope. In a place where you ain't gon' meet the pope. It's cool, I know my shit for real, so I ain't gon' preach, they get the deal. Keep a couple ads out in some Advil, and I ain't gon' cap shit mad real. Young niggas spit shit, did your dad feel? In the city, niggas know where I'm at still. But I'm southpaw with it, I'm moving different. Day one with them, no new additions. Same routine, it's true tradition. Better take this shit to a new dimension. I just keep a little bit of my cold blood, put a little bit of my plus one. Don't know where to put my trust at. Nigga never had no trust fund. Keep a little bit of my glove, I put a little bit of my chimney. Come around all that rock, talking about shit we been did. Keep a little bit of my cold blood, put a little bit of my plus one. Don't know where to put my trust at. Nigga never had no trust fund. Keep a little bit of my glove, I put a little bit of my chimney. Come around all that rock, talking about shit we been did.
I accept and allow success in all areas of my life. I'm thankful for all the opportunities I've been given.
Really been going back to back to back to back to back to back to back. Like the neighborhood warriors.
I don't miss, I don't play none, I don't diss, I don't say none. I go swish, that's an A1. I stay with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks. Tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops. Drop a lot and she pack the bags. She shot till we drop. I just wake up, I don't say nothing. I'm on go, I don't stay long. I've been up now, that's a case wine. I've been down too, like this day strong. I got summer toys for the summer boy. I keep drummer boys in the summer boy. I keep making noise, I've been paranoid. This is God body, you can never void. I don't miss, I don't play none. I don't diss, I don't say none. I go swish, that's an A1. I stay with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks. Tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops. Drop a lot and she pack the bags. She shot till we drop. These beats are up and beat 'em. These bags, you can't believe 'em. I never saw the country, but the money comes from Sweden. I meet 'em, then I leave 'em. I wake up, fight my demons. I never grew my circle. I can't trust you with my freedom. Give me lockdown, keep you locked out. Only when it's here, you look pop now. I get drops now, on the top now. In the wintertime, still go top down. I get free. I don't go bust and I go play Jane, watch me ski. Yeah, I see you now, I could tell you watching me. I go ghost, but tell me I'm more like his Lee. Rockstar, baby, turn pop star. I don't miss, I don't play none. I don't diss, I don't say none. I go swish, that's an A1. I stay with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks. Tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops. Drop a lot and she pack the bags. She shot till we drop.
What is going on, everybody? How we feeling? If you guys are listening to me right now, I need everybody to go ahead and make sure you tap in, drop the fire emoji. What is going on? I'm doing great. How about yourself? Egypt, that is what's up, man. Welcome to the stream. Dubai. I love it. All right, y'all, hold on 1 second. We're going to get this one right. Hold up. All right, cool. All right, guys. So, yes, sir. So there was really none that's been going on today because I just been out on the road. This is actually my time where I can sit down and look at the market and fully focus. So that's what we got going on right now. Seeing if there's any opportunities still to take some trades today. We're going to see. You know, if so, that would be beautiful. If not, it is what it is. But, yeah, guys, I need everybody here that is tapped in and make sure you stay tapped in. Other than that, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in on the live, man. Y'all know how we do once again on the live streams. We go crazy like always. So, yeah, I'm going to start off by saying first, let me turn down this music because I can't even hear myself. All right. So, first and foremost, I'm looking at NASDAQ right now. And that being said, me looking at NASDAQ, what I basically see is we have this basically not liquidity phase. I don't necessarily see that yet, at least. But I do see that we are doing some consolidation right now off of a previous impulsive wave, which was going up. So originally, the market broke this high, gave us this initial pullback, tapped into this midpoint right here, which is this one right here. And now we're starting to see the rejection off of this POI level here, roughly at about 4 a.m. And we're getting that same reaction right here. So seeing that we have a lot of, what I like to say, a lot of liquidity that is getting built up here can kind of tell me one or two things. I say this all the time. It's either going to take it out or it's either going to respect it. So kind of where we at right now. Now, that being said, let's see. That being said, if we stay on my bias of me seeing that, hey, we took the highs out on NASDAQ, we can definitely continue to go up with NASDAQ off of this previous range, which is this low to this high. And then we could possibly start seeing NASDAQ head up to some of these levels up here. So that's kind of where we at now. Now, me going off of even a smaller scale, off of a 2-minute play, all I'm really looking for is this high to be break, the high to take out. If we could take this high out, which it looks like we might, but we take that high out, catch that pull, there's some internal reactions that we can get inside of this cold consolidation in NASDAQ right now. Because right now it's been doing nothing but going up and going down, haven't really been given any actual initial play of action. So that's kind of where I'm at right now with NASDAQ. I'm going to keep my eyes on this one faithfully because I really believe this can go somewhere for sure. Other than that, let me pull out something. All right, there we go. Cool, guys. Once again, I appreciate everybody that is here, tapped in, that likes my videos. Everybody that is tapped in, I need you guys to do me one huge favor. I need everybody to go ahead and drop the like right now in my actual video. Need everybody to go ahead and drop the like right now. Good morning, brother. How you doing, man? Yes, sir. Pocket, what's going on, brother? Pocketing Pips, what's going on, brother? Guys, I'm also might have my students come on a little later today to help out with the with what's going on in today's market. Actually, I would like to see where they at now. Let's see if they can get live now. So
back in that bag again. Whoa.
it's not on here yet.
watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she
All right.
got it and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Then she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. Oh, say less.
Hold on, y'all. My bad. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to get this right here.
Back in that. Hey, where you going? Hey, hey, back in that bag again. Don't bring me around your friends. You know that I'm bagging them. Request me on Facebook. No, I ain't adding them. Positions I had her in. Hit from the back. That pussy was splattering. Calling her friend. Tell her pull up. Word, let's make it a gathering. They loving that baby. Nah, I'm addict now, but she loving the splash again. I just be cashing in her buns. Just like a wedding, I'm crashing in. Hundreds on hundreds. I'm moving and grooving. She wanna cut up. I'ma slash again. Buckets on buckets. I'm
All right, cool.
back in my bag, going back again. I feel like Aladdin, yeah. I'm on a carpet flying through orbits, ain't doing no talking. Wow. Damn, my body is
All right, cool, guys. So yeah, right now, like I said, NASDAQ, I'm waiting on this breaker structure right here. Very simple play of action. I don't really see anything as far as liquidity phase that's gonna neglect this trade. In my eyes, is just see a simple breakout retest. Go into my simple breakout retest strategy that I always talk about and I always faithfully use. I don't even know why I put an alert here because I already can see it breaking out now. Now I just sat that off my phone. So that's where I'm at with this trade right here. No, I'm saying I'm just waiting on this breaker structure, which it is doing now. Want to see how this one plays out. I'm gonna keep my eyes on this. I think I'm gonna literally stay on this trade until something happens. Other than that, oil, I missed out on all of this because, like I said, I was busy, man. I was busy earlier. Didn't catch none of this. I was actually waiting on oil to go the other direction, but as I noticed, like, damn, we took off to the upside. Didn't have time to catch it at all. Go. I actually seen a play here. Once again, on the road, I seen a play right here. Seen some buying setups. And we did TP1, but like I said, I didn't get in this trade or neither call this trade out. Either way it goes, this wasn't a trade I wasn't trading. But I do see other opportunities with gold right now. The only scary thing about gold is that it's still choppy right now. And I don't know if there's going to either continue to go sideways or go up. But this is something choppy and something scary. You got to be cautious of these type of reactions. Market is doing stuff like this. You got to be cautious of these reactions for sure. So really, only thing that's really piquing my interest is this NASDAQ trade. Gold was clean. What are you trading today, brother? Whatever market is telling me. We do have news for oil. Yes, sir. That is true. You know what? Thanks for reminding me. Let's pull up my Forex factor and see what we got going on. Or did this already happen? Hold on. Oh, no. No. News is right now. That's gas. Never mind. That's gas. In 30 minutes we have oil news coming. So we shall see. $10 to $100 flip. So my 10K challenge, I actually had postponed that to do with a different broker. And then $10 to $100 flip. That sound dope, man. You should definitely do it. I don't care to do it. I'm not gonna waste my time, my energy, and all that just to do a $10 flip. I proved my point so many times. I can do a $10. Obviously, I did a $4,000 flip, so it's like, why would I do a $10 flip? There's nothing that I need to prove. Does news increase or decrease the price? It depends on the news. It could do either or. Because literally we can go up, we can go down with the market. At this point, it's kind of like, it's all about patience. And I say this all the time, man. I see so many people comment on my damn chat. They be like, hey, E, get in this. Oh, you should get in NAS right now. I'm pretty sure there's about to be somebody literally trying to type in and say, oh, let's get in NAS. You should get in NAS right now. Why are you not in NAS right now? It's all about waiting on your setup. Be ready for your setup. Don't just be ready for every reaction in the market. Otherwise, that's telling me you don't have a setup. You're just trading what you see or what you think. Not really what you see, but what you think. So at the end of the day, it's all about just waiting on your actual setup. Literally. How to become consistent, to be patient. honestly, that all comes down to having your system in play. Like, you got to have this in play. If you don't have that in play, then it's impossible for you to really figure out a lot of things in the market, a lot of things in your trading. You know, guys, on a smaller scale, we got a liquidity phase with NASDAQ right now. We taking the lows out. I haven't traded 30 seconds in a minute right now, but I see it possibly. This right here could be the low taken out first. The high needs to be taken out. Wait on the internal high to form and see what happens from there. By the way, guys, I need to make sure you guys are liking the video, because moving forth, man, I'm moving forth, just because, you know, I notice the likes ain't always there. So moving forward, the only way you guys will be able to start chatting in this community, especially for anybody that just want me to check out this, check out that, or tell me to trade this or tell me to trade that, y'all gonna have to be a YouTube member, and y'all know, pay just a very small fee or something, because, you know, I don't like to have people on here and they not liking and showing appreciation with the video, but then y'all over here asking, especially for those that's always asking me to check something else or check a trade for them or babysit for them. For one, I don't babysit, but for those that's always asking for me to babysit their account or babysit their trade setup and don't like my video, there's no reason for me to do that. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I just had to let y'all know, like, I don't babysit accounts. I'm not babysitting accounts. And y'all got to understand that y'all got to really learn how to trade on your own, but also get knowledge. Stop trying to worry about everybody else signals and always stick with a signal and not learn. Wow. NASDAQ ain't doing nothing but just going. NASDAQ is doing nothing but going. It takes 2 seconds to like the video. Shake my head. Of course, exactly. 2 seconds to like the video. I like what I do too. Especially if I'm giving it all out for free 99. I want to learn how to make my own signals. Exactly. From Mania, nice. I see we got a lot of people tapped in. My week's been really good. I appreciate you for asking. Really good, man. Today's the official day I get my keys for my new warehouse that I got. 4,000 square feet warehouse that we got. Solo Network headquarters. Trading floor is gonna be in there. Podcast is gonna be in there. It's gonna be a lit space, man. What's the first thing we should do when learning trading? Supporting resistance? Hell no. The first thing you should do learning trading is learning how to create this. Supporting resistance is the last thing you need to worry about. If you think that's the first thing, no, that's the last thing you need to worry about. You need to worry about mental risk, how much you're going to risk, and then you go from there. Other than that, man, no. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I'm a cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying Carhartt. What is the link of the plays that you got going on? Honestly, I just got it playing through something I gotta see. I don't know, there's a bunch of music that just be playing in the back. I appreciate the advice, thank you. No problem. Getting back for yesterday. We shall see, man. I lost a bag yesterday, bro. Low key, yesterday kind of got me a little, you feel me? Yesterday got me a little, I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. I lost 8 bands yesterday, bro. That can hurt you. That can hurt you or make you. So need to watch all your videos, man. Need to learn so much about scalping. Scalping is you know what, learn it, but I'm gonna just tell you right now, don't focus too much on the skills or the strategy, because it's not all of that. It's not all of that. I'm waiting for this boot camp. Honestly, did you sign up for the boot camp? Is there anybody here that signed up for the boot camp besides you? I think we got a couple people in here that might have signed up for the boot camp. If y'all are interested in our boot camp, make sure you guys go in the link down below and tap into our boot camp. We start in March. An elite course, the 5-minute strategy can be used in the computer. Absolutely. I got a lot of strategies on my course. So we got news coming at about 28 minutes, 24 minutes. And oil's already been going up. At this point, it's kind of like I'm late for the ride. Honestly, I'm late for the ride at this point. There's no reason on me to take any trade right now until later at around 11 my time. There's no reason for me to be taking any trade. Not really 11, but around 10. I would say roughly around 10 o'clock. 10:30. So I guess that's when the news happens. That's when we could start seeing a shift, because the market might shift the other way, guys. I'm gonna show you why. If you go on a higher scale and you look at the bigger play of action, I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. So on a 4-hour scale, we have been doing nothing but dropping with oil. That's honestly what's been happening, right? But of course, right now what we got going on is a pullback. This pullback right here is all what's happening right now. So ideally, what we might be having happening right now is that we might have this bigger correction pattern that might be forming, which can be anything like this, guys. It can look like this. I don't know. It can look like any numbers or difference of ways for a pattern. I don't care about the way it looks. I'm more conservative about the structure of it. So I know we've been dropping, right? We had this market shift here, break of structure here, and now we're pulling back into some midpoints, pulling back into some POI levels, order blocks. That's why I call it order block, supply levels, demand levels. However, guys, you want to make it sound, I don't care about the name. It's all the same ish. I say this all the time. But at the end of the day, we are coming into a possible area of settlement. Settlement is where you see a green and a red candle, price settles there. That's where all of these different structural strategies come in play, from order blocks, supply, demands, key levels, institutional levels, and all that such. But I know right here is a settlement. We got a lot of price settling here, which also means that there's a lot of liquidity here. So this is where banks are coming to, because they see there's money all in here. They know buyers and sellers are in here. So they're going to either do one or two things: respect it or reject it. Other than that, that is literally it. Neil, what's going on, brother? Neil, by the way, you have to, I'm ready. What do I do? Try clicking the link, but nothing seems to happen. Neil, are you not able to get in that voice chat? You should be able to get in the voice chat. Hold on. Guys, I am working on something right now. We about to get I gotta get a couple of my students on board with me.
Back in my bag, yo. Conscious. ISO. Diamond. Back in my bag and I gotta brag. I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of hills.
All right, guys, hold on one second. Let me figure this out right here.
This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, yeah, back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, I'm back in my bag, yeah.
All right, cool.
Back in my bag flow.
Back again. Yeah, we keep on stacking it. What's happening? Everything in Gucci got me feeling like I'm dapper.
Yeah, I cannot figure this out right now.
So shout out to the cameraman. Pull up to
All right, cool.
Steady going up like a travel plan. Homer Simpson phase, lucky power plant. Yeah, I'm off that dope, like I'm back again to busy at the Millies. Out on club hurts, give the word if it's a city, Lord forgive me. Still having motion, dog, so why would I slow it? Make it
All right, guys. Anywho, yes, like I was saying with oil, I'm waiting on oil to come in here. Once we do, we could start seeing all types of reactions going on, rejection or respecting. It can go either way. But what I'm basically saying is that market is coming up to these levels right here. Right now, of course, you can always refine it. Right, go on a smaller scale. Look for other levels that you think it might actually hit. Could be here, it could be here. It could be anything at this point. One thing I like to do is once I start to see the impulsive trend and then I see the correction from the most recent impulsive trend, which is all it is, I then take my fibs to see exactly where it could come to. And that's where I get my valid POI levels known as supply, demand, institutional levels, key levels, order blocks, and so forth, supported resistance for anybody that trades that, all that stuff.
I'm on the rail, I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, I hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on film. Niggas facade, get a plot, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell.
All right, y'all, hold on. I'm still trying to get people access to join my live stream, but I cannot figure this out. I don't know why. My heartbeat is frosted. I seen it got optics I needed from Shawty. She mean with the top and it's obvious. They need him a target. I'm dodging their darts, make 'em reach for the stars. I'm dumping, I'm forcing the pun off the runs. I'm moving with caution. I'm saucing my nigga is nothing. From nothing to something they'll never be. Tycooning, I'm Dre with the thizzle face. I'm nothing my section has ever seen. Run the ice so I'm clutch. I don't need a screen. I'm Curry. I push it from 30 deep. Do the pin in the pad like a surgery. She the curve at you just to flirt with me. You said, what did we say? Relaxing time, man. Can you please let me know how I can get verified so I can access the educational traders? It's possible. It's possible. I'll show you in a bit. I'll show you. I'll tell you how you can do that. Yo, Neil, what's going on? Can you hear me? I can barely hear you, but that's probably on me. Hold on. Guys, I am going to get someone on board. Give me 1 second. Yo, Neil, can you hear me? Yes, sir. Let me turn you up. How about now? Can you hear me? All right. This is what we're about to do. I'm about to get you on board. Guys, we have one of my students here. I'm actually going to put you in my screen, brother. They can hear you, but they can't see
Okay.
you.
Hi, everyone. I
Right.
can't see you because I had to turn YouTube off because it was echoing like a bitch.
Hey, man, that's what's up, man. So, all right, brother. Here, I got to add you on. So, here you go, man. You on board. Let me do one more thing before I add you on. Hold on. Window capture. Yes, sir. There we go. All right, brother. All right, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you fine, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Cool. Welcome to the Scouse accent, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, sir. Can you guys see him? Can you guys see Neil? Neil the GOAT himself. I mean, you might have to tap on. You might have to tap on YouTube. While you on YouTube, like you probably just might have to turn the sound off.
Yeah, I'll figure it out. I'll mute YouTube and then watch it then.
Yeah. All right, guys. This is one of my students here. He's been crushing it, man. Yeah, he's in Liverpool, right? Liverpool.
Yeah,
God dang.
artificial intelligence.
So, yes, he's in Liverpool, and he's one of my students. He's killing it on his own now. He's doing wonderful. I call him, man, you the king of oil for sure. He's got oil locked in. So I could definitely tell you guys for sure. The oil guy, yes, that's just who it is, the oil guy. But yeah, man. So we definitely got some stuff going on. But guys, by the way, yeah. So like I was saying earlier with oil, I see oil coming into this area of this big liquidity, entire liquidity, all resting up here, like literally all resting up here. So it's just a matter of what could happen at this point. Neil, yo, how do you feel? Let me turn back on some music too. You probably might not be able to hear the music, Neil. I don't know, to be honest with you.
No, I can't. And I've got a weird delay, so I can hear you and then see myself like seconds or later. That's weird.
You talking about on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right. But can you hear me through Discord?
Yeah, it's all cool. Oh, I can hear you, yeah.
All right, cool.
Through Discord.
Cool.
Well, I think there's a slight delay, isn't it? So everyone else is
yeah, it's a delay. It's a huge, not really a huge delay. It's a minor delay. But it's not that bad.
It's a couple of seconds. I've just scratched my nose and it's like it's a few seconds. Anyway, oil is primed to come down, isn't it? At some point.
I think so, yeah. I mean, like, what do you think about this time? Usually doing oil during this time, like.
I don't know. I've not. Do you know? I called out an oil trade earlier, and it went to my TP1 and then came down and hit my bit break even, but then carried on up. And now I'm ready for New York to bring it down, but I thought they would have done it by now.
That's what I'm thinking. Well, it could still happen, right? Because I know we got news coming at about 20 minutes or something like that. We got news coming in about 20 more minutes. In 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking
there's a nice big, like really nice big, I mean, whatever you call it, order block, POI, zone, whatever, resistance. There's a huge one on the left hand side where it's just come into and reacted from. So
yeah,
for me it's coming down soon.
I know you can pull your charts up too on here through Discord. Do you know how to do that?
Let's have a look.
It should be like share your screen option.
Yeah. Oh shit! I've got to sorry, language.
Are you good?
I've got to.
I've been doing that all this time.
I'm gonna have to quit. My Mac wants me to accept the camera on Discord.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Well, shoot. Yeah, that's cool.
Shall I quit and come back?
Yeah, that's cool.
Go on then. I'll let me.
We'll be here.
Okay, I'm gone.
All right. So yeah, guys. So like what I was saying, man, I'm gonna need to set up another area for people to like. Here we go. We're just gonna move it right here for now. But the news might push price further down. Yeah, it could push it down. But I'm looking at oil right now. Honestly, guys, if you look closely right here, I'm on a 15-minute, going to 5-minute. This is the most recent low right here. We just took the lows out, so this could definitely mean that we could possibly get that reaction to possibly see markets start heading down from here. You know, so we shall see. Hey, is there additional access to your Discord if you buy the course? Yeah, there is. Absolutely, that's for sure. 8 minutes till the news. Yeah, dang, that went by quick. Guys, if y'all new to my channel, I need everybody to go ahead and drop the fire emoji, and I need you guys to go ahead and like the video for me.
Can you see my screen now?
I don't know. Let's see.
It's sharing on Discord.
It's real small, but don't worry about
Right.
it. That's on me. Hold on. You volume is low. Who volume's low? You say your volume low. When you say are you referring to me or?
Scouser from Liverpool.
All right, brother.
Um,
This is so weird. Hey, yo, your screen just took over.
Oh, this
Oh,
is like
crap. Your screen just took over.
This is like the Matrix.
I know, right? It's crazy.
I'm looking at my actual screen and then looking at on it on YouTube. That's so weird.
Your screen just literally took over, brother. What you?
Okay.
I just want them to see real fast what you got going on for whatever you're looking at.
So the red dots are the pivots, hourly pivots that I watch. So that's why we're in a really crucial area now. If it goes above this grey box, then well, it's changing the character, isn't it, completely, and it's moving out of this constant downtrend. So that's for me. That grey box there is our big POI, and if it goes up and over it, then great. But if it continues down, so then I'm now waiting for the 5 minute to do something, but it's too bullish.
It's too bullish.
Yeah, so I don't want to sell it yet because I want it to break something, a minor low, but it's not really, is it?
Well,
Maybe that.
I got the other low. You see the most other low. Were you in a 5 minute right now? I see that low too, but I'm looking at. I was getting tighter with my lows. I was like on a. It was like a 2 minute low, like. Literally right there. But I feel you on the 5 minute. I know how you are with the 5 minute. I'm the same way, so I feel like the 5 minute might be it.
With oil, I tend to stay on the 5 minute just because I'm more confident on the 5 minute. The 1 minute and the 2 minute. Oil can tend to go into a horrible consolidation, up and down, and the 1 minute doesn't show me anything in the 2 minute.
Yeah, I agree.
So I don't know. I wouldn't call anything. I was going to call something out if it broke that line there, if it broke that low on the 5 minute.
I agree with you. I agree 100%.
Just because it's got so much room to come down, so I don't need to be greedy. If it comes down, it's coming all the way down here. So onto this little red dot here, the low here. So it could be a massive trade still. It's still.
I know we got New York session. So like, what, in 5 more minutes we got news. So I don't know. I don't know, man. I think the news could push it down. That could be a possibility, but it's still strong, like you said. So strong, still so strong.
So I'm playing for all eventualities. This and the other way, just in case. It could do that easily.
That's what I'm thinking too. It can go both ways right now.
If the news is there, it's not what we expect.
Honestly, like the yeah, I see that too. Yeah, I see that. I definitely see that. Cool, man. I like that. We appreciate you for showing your oil. I'm about to size down this real fast.
Yeah, go for it. I've been killing it on DAX lately, me.
DAX, what the heck? What the heck? Like, what's going on with DAX?
That's the one I used to before I started your classes. That was one I learned on originally.
Yeah, man.
I just rediscovered it lately, and it's just been nice for me.
Yeah, man. See, I never got into that, honestly. But I think that's
it'll do this lovely consolidation and then break out of it, and then when it breaks, it goes.
So it's like oil.
Yeah, that's it. Someone put it on Discord actually saying oil's the new DAX is the new oil. It pretty much is.
Don't tell me that now, because I'm gonna try that out.
Well, it's the NAS but not on steroids. That's the way I describe it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it moves very similar to the NAS, the DAX, the German top 40.
What is that symbol called?
I don't know. Germany 40 mine is, or DAX.
What do you got? DAX Index on TradingView?
Yeah, no, I've got Germany 40
on TradingView.
Yeah, but on my broker.
So is it Germany 40 CFD?
Yeah, any of them really. That's the same. They're all the same.
Germany 40 CFD, Germany 30, Germany 40 index, Germany 40. Yeah, we got a lot.
It used to be the German 30, but then they introduced 10 more companies, so it's just not been updated by that
German
broker.
30. Somebody says German. So which one are you? What broker are you using right now?
I use Capital.
You using
That
Capital?
one there.
You showing?
Germany 40, capital.com.
Okay. I got you now. I'm gonna have to check. I'm gonna have to tune into this one. Let me add this to my archive later.
Just because I called a couple of trades out on Discord the last 2 days, and they've been lovely wins.
Yeah. That's crazy. I ain't know. All right. I'm about to pull your face back. Hold on.
I is a devil, so don't blame you.
Yeah, so like I said, guys, yeah, guys, there's a lot going on in the community in our Discord right now. We going real crazy in the community. Yo, what time is it over there right now?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Man,
Yeah.
y'all got it so perfect, bro. We dealing with like all types of like, I mean, like we got, it's about to be 10 o'clock here. It's like you could trade London, New York.
Yeah, well.
It's crazy. That's I just love it. I just love it. All right, guys. So I'm waiting on this oil. I'm waiting on this oil to see what we got going on with oil right now. We are in big consolidation. Well, not really big consolidation, but we're in this tight consolidation. So I want to see what happens. I can barely hear the music. Oh, there we go. The music playing. And then let's see, where is alright, there we go. You said I brought oil at 73.75. Stops are in profit. There you go. I wish I would have brought oil earlier, man. I literally missed out on all this. I was driving my kid to school and I'm like, I missed this setup. I was wanting to see it go the other way though, but you know, of course, it never had happened. So it's kind of crazy what's going on right now. And then I see, gold. We need to take out some of these highs with gold, guys. Like seriously, man. Neil, you been trading gold? I don't think I've been seeing you trading gold.
No, don't touch that.
You don't even touch it.
No, doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah, it always has a weird reaction, but I swear to gosh, I swear everybody loves gold. Like that's like the #1 favorite thing to trade right now.
Have you seen the NAS? I said the NAS was coming down. I think the NAS is coming back down.
You did say that. I was driving, so I was like, because I was interested to see. But you were right though. What happened? What did everybody else say? No.
No, I was too I think everyone else was still too bullish on it, but I've just looked at it now. It's dropping. I knew I should have put a trade on.
Damn. What would your trade have been?
From I don't know. It broke a little recent high. A recent low, and then there was a nice there was a rejection back up, and then a nice engulfing candle back down, and then maybe that entry there.
I see.
Wait, are you on the NAS there now? Is that
this NAS?
2 minute?
Yeah, just 2 minutes.
Yeah, I would have not been on the 5 minute and took the engulfing candle.
Really? You know what? I just realized I can actually show I can show my screen on Discord too. So maybe if it's a delay, because I know it might be weird. Let's see. I don't know if this is possible. Oh yeah, it's definitely possible. You might can see my screen now on Discord. This is pretty cool. I like it.
Yeah, I can see your screen now as well.
So now you can see it. That's pretty dope. All right, cool.
Yeah, we're creating some Matrix shit here, I'm telling you.
I know, right? Yeah, oil news just happened. I don't know what's going on right now, but see, Neil, I was looking at this right here. I was looking at that. I was like nitpicking though, and I shouldn't really be nitpicking, but I'm gonna short this, dude.
Mm-hmm.
I know you like, nah, this is not my cup of tea, but
No. It's that's a strong 5-minute candle at the moment.
yeah, let me wait on the 5-minute closure of this candle first.
It's I've got there's a nice little indicator that I've been using, which shows where the pivots are, 4-hour pivots.
Oh yeah.
And it's just bouncing off one now. That's a 4-hour pivot.
Nice.
So if it closes below it, then we could be good. And it's pretty strong.
I'm in it. I'm sorry, no, I'm taking it. I'm risking
Go
it.
for it.
Yo, I'm taking oil right now. With no stop. I mean no stop, no TP right now. Let me figure out. I didn't mean to say it like that. We could go as far down as all the way here. Let me see.
Yeah, you could have 140, 150 pips here. I want to stick to. I'm sticking to my plan.
Stick to your plan. No, stick to your plan. Stick to your plan. I don't want to mess you up.
Yeah. Don't want to.
Only reason why I got in where I got in is because of the 2-minute reaction. It happened on a 2-minute.
Yeah.
But I know you said you don't trade like 2-minute, right? Or not really? Big fan of
not
it.
oil, no. Oil just it can consolidate. It's so ugly. I got ruined. I took a few L's on it last week because it constantly it went to move and then consolidated up and down.
Yeah, true.
It annoyed me last week, so I kind of fell out of love with it a little bit. So and that's because I was trading on the 1-minute and 2-minute. So I'm sticking to my plan, but it's looking good now. You're good.
Oh shoot, what did I just do? Hold on, y'all. Hold on, I gotta post in this Discord real fast. Let me see. Yo, this is moving quite fast right now.
Yeah, it's looking lovely. Just want to see how it's going to react with the with that line I drew, that other low, 5-minute low.
You talking about this one right here, right?
Yeah, I drew it before. Yeah, I just want to see how it reacts to that.
Makes sense. Been doing this trading for 18 years for a living. News only affects pairs for a short period of time. Long-term trends always end up winning out. That is a fact. How do you have the background gray? I don't know what you're asking. Are you talking about my Discord? What is the name of the indicator that you're using, Neil? That they want to know.
Oh, it is called quite a relatively unknown one. It's called hang on.
By the way, guys, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. My bad.
It's alright. If you type in Rob Booker, it's titled by the name of the author, Rob Booker, Intraday Pivot Points, and it shows you 1 hour, 4 hour, and 8 hour pivots, and it can quite nice. It can show you like how they react to the pivots. Like right now, you've just broken a 4 hour pivot, so that's pretty crucial in this oil trade.
TP1, my TP1, by the way, guys, is at 7485.
Look at NAS. I wish I put a sell in for NAS.
You say you wish you put in a sell for NAS?
Yeah, I was picking my kid up from school, wasn't I? I said to you, then I'd be a bit late, and then I seen it. So, oh well.
While you was picking your kid up, I was dropping my kid off. You know, literally. While you was picking your kid up, I was dropping mine off.
That's mad. Yeah. Yeah, I suppose that's that. Yeah, because it's bang on 6 hours, isn't it? You start at 8:30, and mine finish at 3:30. Yeah.
So what? See, this is why I hate NASDAQ, because it's like there's always opportunities, but you got to get in at the right time.
Yeah.
Like seriously, you got to get in at the right time, because I was looking for the buy, but obviously that never had happened. Well, I was not looking for anything really. I was just trying to see what happened. What to see.
Well, I was watching the hourly candles, wasn't I? And I just seen the way it reacted. The hour candle, it rejected, and then went up and rejected again from the zone. So then that's when I thought, right, well then the 5 minutes will show me, and then there was an engulfing candle on the 5 minute to come down. So I thought that would be the option to get in, but I didn't.
No, that makes sense actually.
Since learning with you, I started watching the hour a lot more, and it really helps me then paint a picture, if you like.
So you do focus on the 1 hour. Oh my god.
I've been watching the hour. I watch it, but I want to enter in the 5 minute rather than going, because before I got all the training off you, I used to go in on the minute and stay on the minute. Remember I told you the minute and 2 minute, just stay there and be too tunnel visioned. You got me broadening my sort of scope, but so I tend to watch the hour now and then enter on the 5 minute, and it's worked lovely on oil now.
That's what's up. I like that, man. That's dope. I know, like,
See that blue candle that went up, it rejected. That was a bearish candle, wasn't it?
You're talking about for NASDAQ, right? You're talking about this one?
Yeah, yeah. That you can call like a star, whatever. And then the next hour, it tried to go up again and rejected, and then it came down. And then on the 5 minute, you'd find a nice entry.
Well, see, I know, but so like, what my thing is, so if you seen that rejection, the closure of this candle just happened like what, 10 minutes ago. So you would have gotten still inside of this 1 hour candle, is what you're saying?
No. What I was saying was that on the hour when I first put it onto Discord, I seen that that we were in a nice golden zone, from a fib retracement, and then it rejected.
Got you.
And then after that blue candle finished forming, and then I would have gone to the 5 minute and then see how it reacted. Then it went up and came back down again. So that's me telling me that was telling me this next hour candle was going to reject. I didn't realize it was going to go so quick.
No, that makes sense.
But now it's coming all the way down to 12,000. This now could even go further actually on a fib retreat, on a fib extension. Could come down to 11,900 if you were a intraday trader.
It is gonna come down there though. That's a fact.
Yeah.
No, that's a fact. You said that indicator is lined up like the fibs. What are y'all talking about?
Is Clint talking about that indicator I just shouted out?
Yeah, I think he must be talking about the indicator you're talking about.
Yeah, it's nice, that indicator, that pivot indicator. It does sometimes. It's nice when it lines up with the fibs. That's what it gives me more confidence.
Yes, I like that. But you said, what is it called again for those that's asking?
If you search for Rob Booker, Booker Booker, it's the author. It's his name, and then it's called Intraday Pivot Points.
Y'all hear that? If anybody here needs that extra push, or needs that extra confirmation, there you go. Oil stop loss never got hit. My stop loss is above these highs. Wait, hold on. I got like 20 different prices going on here. I don't even know what. Hold on. Let me see. Oh. Yeah. Okay. What trades are you in now, Solo? I'm in the oil trade right now. I'm in a very extreme oil risky trade right now.
Nah, I wanted to see that this candle drop for you, but
It ain't doing it right now. Definitely ain't
still
doing it right
don't.
now. Yo, NASDAQ never pulled back at all.
No.
After it hit
You
that
also-
50, it just dropped.
Yeah, it's just that's the beauty of the NAS, isn't it?
That's crazy. I'm just trying to see where I would have had enter off this play if I was looking at it that way. And there's no entry possibly here, but I would not have seen that.
No.
Oh, I'm on the 5. Let me go on the 5 minute. I don't know. It's weird with NASDAQ.
That 5 minute candle there that engulfs the what you would call a hammer, which is fairly bearish.
You talking about all of this right here?
No, for the right hand side.
This.
There, that one there. So it tried to come down, it came back up again, but it's still a bearish candle, and then the next one engulfed it. So that I would have entered there if I was driving.
You talking about this one?
Yeah. Once it broke that low, you're good on the oil now. Oil's coming down. You're good.
I'm almost at this point. I want to move my stop to break even.
I just still want to see it break that low, and I'm in. This is what I hate about oil, though. If it either moves or doesn't, and then it goes, then it consolidates.
Yeah.
It did it to me last week.
True.
Like New York would have brought it down by now if it was going to come down. It's down 4 o'clock.
Yeah, this is the time where it's supposed to be moving.
Oh no, this isn't. This is going to engulf. This is nothing nice.
Let's see how this 5 minute closes. If this 5 minute close engulfing, then cool. If it doesn't, I'm gonna break even. I'm moving my stops to break even. Guys, if this engulf candles, if this candle engulfs, I'm gonna go ahead and keep it how it is, possibly. Otherwise, I'm moving mine to break even. Yo, can you watch a trade when you're in a trade?
No, I hate it. So that's why I'm nervous watching yours.
Hey man, you can't watch it. You can't watch it. Nah. Y'all, I'm gonna move my stops to break even. I'm just gonna move my stops to break even, y'all. Oh wait, it's not allowing me to. Okay, there we go. Hold on, I had to.
Spreads will probably be shit.
Yeah, I'm about to move my stops to break even. I'll move my stops to break even, y'all.
It's starting to align with the arrows I drew before.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. If it comes down, I might be tempted to get in a sell here. Come on.
I don't care what it does at this point. Oh wait, let me move my other one to break even too. Oh wait. All right, there we go. And the reason why I said what I said, cause like entry was here, but 1 minute 1-on-1 would have had already hit off the 2 minute play if I was to enter like right here. See, like hold on, let's see. Cause if I was to enter short it here, stop loss there, my 1-on-1 would have already hit. Yeah, see. How long you been trading though? They asking how long you been in trading.
It will be a year in March.
A year, nice. Can you walk them through like the process before you met me and then after you took the boot camp, how things changed for you?
Yeah. So from March to about July, I wrecked every account I had. And I lost quite a lot of money, and then I searched for just something on YouTube to help me with naked trading, I think it was, because I was getting so angry that I was using indicators and everyone was saying to use this indicator and that indicator, and then I found your video of searching that, and then I watched all your videos, and then I got in touch via the Discord, because I joined your Discord. I paid for a couple of the courses. They were really interesting, started getting me to think about it differently, and then we did the boot camp. And then the boot camp, you just went through this whole like way of looking at the markets and the structure and the way you described what to look for in your ranges and momentum, and it was just really helpful. And then since then I've become very profitable.
Hey, nice.
Much more profitable than I was beforehand because I wasn't profitable. But yeah, no, I'm feeling like I can regularly pull in like minimum 2-3% on my account. Sometimes I can go up to 10%, and I'm really happy.
That's crazy. It's 10%. 10%. Y'all hear that? 10%. You said that's why I joined the boot camp coming up. Yes, sir. Oil just broke even for one of my trades. The other one is still running. It's just too. It's supposed to be moving right now, man.
Yeah.
And it's scaring me that news is like right now we got this liquidity. Yeah. Hold on, y'all.
Oh yeah, we got that. Oh yeah, that news did nothing, did it?
It did absolutely nothing.
No. So that makes me think that it was actually quite bullish news, and the fact that London brought it up so high, maybe it wants to go up.
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, one of my trades hit break even. The other one is still moving.
But it was your just to add to what I was saying before, it was your risk management that really changed my trading career. Because before that, I wasn't doing anything. What I do now is almost not. I don't lose because I'll move it into break even when I'm 50% in profit. I never lose. If it hits in zero, fine. So like I'll lose. I'll not win as much, but I won't lose.
There you go. Boom. So guys, so you're doing number 2. Guys, he's doing number 2 in my trading plan right here. His trading plan is very fucking crazy. I was saying that, bro. I want to start doing that too. Like move my stops to 50% once it comes. You know what I mean.
Yeah. I called a couple of trades out since I became an educational. I had that educational channel available. I started calling them out, and I was like, whoa! I was like, don't.
It's a lot. It's a lot.
I was end up gonna. It's okay when I'm risking my own money, but if anyone blindly goes on my trades, then I don't want to lose money for other people.
Yeah, it's a lot of responsibility. It's a lot of responsibility. That's a fact.
I think I did one last week, and I put it to break even. A lot of people went, "Whoa, why didn't you let me know?" So,
like this one right now. Let me see.
Yeah. This is just in a horrible consolidation.
Let me move this one up a little bit more. Hold on. Oh my gosh, they won't allow me to do it. What in the world? Why not? Wow, they petty for that. Okay, y'all petty for that one. Y'all petty for that one. It will not allow me to move it because price is already there. I'm out, guys. I'm out. It's it basically is a break-even trade for me. It's supposed to be moving. We should be moving, but we're not moving. And this is a break-even.
No, I don't see anything now.
I don't like it. I don't even know what I just changed. Hold on. I'm out. Now watch the price drop. I know, right? Now watch the price drop. I swear. Watch how it drops. It's like, yeah, they watching me.
I'm still waiting for it to break that line I drew.
I'm gonna wait for that too, cause it just created equal. It literally created equal low right here, which kind of tells me that we might be doing a possible liquidity phase. We might be starting one soon. I don't know. But the way it's looking, that's how I'm seeing it.
Yeah.
But it's supposed to be. This is the time that we should be seeing more reaction, but we're not getting it. You know, we're not getting it.
All the sellers are on the NAS instead.
That's where they went to, exactly. They said, "Forget it, we going to NAS."
Yeah, that was the most obvious one. We'll sell that down to 1,000. It's a no-brainer.
This is crazy, yo. Like, it just took off right now.
I knew it was coming down. I hate missing opportunities.
Yeah, me too. Especially when I'm driving, man. Like, why we can't wait until I get back to the crib?
Yeah, they're so rude, aren't they?
Yeah, like, just wait for us to get back to the crib and I can just take the trade from there. Oh, yo, Neil, I'm getting my keys today.
Ooh.
For the place I was telling you about.
I can't wait to see it.
Man, I'm gonna have to talk to you too about, you know, the developing the everything in the back.
Yeah. Man, we're good. We get catch up on that.
Yes, sir. Oh, by the way, guys, hold on. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me send out this message. I have somebody going to my other space right now. I gotta make sure they got access to it. By the way, guys, I'm multitasking too, so if I say something that doesn't sound right, just correct me. By the way, guys, Neil here, he is the operations of a software that is getting developed right now, that we're developing now, that you guys will be able to use to track everything as far as trading and all that stuff. It's about to be a real cool software tech that you guys can use for your trading. It's amazing. I don't want to say too much now, but you guys just stay tuned for it. It should be coming out real soon. Now, that being said, yo, is oil moving? No.
Yeah, it wants to come down. It's got a load of wick retractions on the 5 minute. It wants to come down. This could be a selling opportunity for me soon.
All right, so it took this low out. I'm still in it. Oh, I got out the trade. I forgot. I thought I got excited a little bit.
No, it's not. It's still not. I'm not happy. It's not coming down quick enough.
It's not. I need that strong rejection off that low, that most recent low. And if I can see that, then that's definitely a trade.
I've still got all the old indicators that I used before I did your boot camp. I still keep them there just for extra confluence. And I know some of your audience use them as well. The smooth moving averages, and when they all align, the 21, the 50, and the 200, and the 50 and the 200 have just crossed on oil, so they're all lining for bullish momentum.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, so that's why I'm like, it's not so easy just to short for me because I'm just not confident. I can show you what. Can I still show my screen?
Yeah, go ahead. Pull it up. No, you don't need to pull it up. I can pull it up. Hold on.
Yeah,
I just gotta. There you go. I know they can't really see it, but I'm gonna enlarge it. All right, go ahead.
Yeah, I still use these for complements, the SMAs, and I'll just make them a bit brighter. I don't know if anyone else uses them, but they're good. They're a good confluence, and when you get crosses like that, I mean, it's normally quite bullish, especially as the 200 and the 50. So it's been in one hard long. Look at that, all the way down the 200. Now it crossed it, and then
that's the 200 you said.
Yeah, the red one is the 200.
That's a simple moving average or the exponential moving average.
Yeah, the smooth moving average, so it's smoothed out, so it's like a trend indicator.
Yeah, makes sense.
So,
and then you gotta think about it too. It's been going nothing but up anyway, and it's coming to like it look like it can come to that little that settlement right there if you go down a little bit. right up. Yeah, it looks like it can come over there and it maybe start picking up, or it might just go up from here.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's why I'm not so confident. That's why I've not jumped into a trade yet on this one.
Yeah, I feel you. All right, let me put you back over here. Yeah, I feel you. I mean, that's how I'm seeing it too, man. Like, at this point, I can see it coming. I can see it still coming down here and then possibly going up from there, but I don't know. Y'all talking about gold, like gold is doing something. Everybody says gold is moving. Where? You guys say this all the time. Y'all say gold is moving, but I'd be like, where? What name did it do?
Back on the ground.
It ain't did number go up, go down, and stay still in the same spot. I like to see big reactions, not these little petty, little 5-second reactions. Like that's just really what it is, you know. Guys, if y'all new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. And then also like the video. I know we got a lot of y'all tapped in, but we don't have the likes up. Everybody that is tapped in, I need everybody here to go ahead and like up the video. And then make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Somebody said gold is toxic. Man. Look at NASDAQ. When y'all say oil is moving, I hope y'all mean oil is moving. I'm about to, I promise you. Oh, it's moving.
You said it was. You said it'll drop as soon as you cancelled.
Holy crap, it's moving. This is what I mean by a move. Y'all say it's moving with with gold. This isn't. That's not a move. This is a move.
Yeah.
Fucking A.
See, scrap everything I said. What do I know?
Hey, you good, bro? That's the thing, man. You stuck to your plan. I like that.
Yeah.
If you guys could be in a room with a bunch of billionaires and millionaires that's really successful in trading, but you're like, I'm still sticking to my plan, you winning.
Mm-hmm.
That's a fact. The trade goes without me. Yeah, it took off. It took down, actually. The right way. But now it's got me thinking, though, Neil, like, is it going to react off of that and then go up? That's got me thinking now.
Yeah.
You're so strong.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just looking now. That's the pit. That is the gold. That's a lovely fib. Block that. And there's a lot of noise there as well. It took a while to get over that today.
Yeah. Yeah. Re-entry on oil, it's already gone now. Honestly, my re-entry I have to pull back. Is there anybody here that actually hold? I don't know. Honestly, I think that if anybody here that had entered off this trade and moved their stops to break even, did anybody get out? Because like I said, the pricing is so off with every broker.
Yeah. Because.
Yeah, you held. Okay. You held. I held. Hey, well, TP1 smashed then.
Nice work, people. I think I might have gotten to your psyche maybe there a little bit. I reckon you would have held that then if I wasn't saying what I was saying.
Nah, I wouldn't have, because at the end of the day, I'm looking at it too like it should have been moving at the time that it should have been moving. Hold on.
Definitely not sellable now because it's literally gonna bounce around this area now. It comes back up and then goes.
So that's Iron Man. They calling you Iron Man. Wait, who's Iron Man? Neil, I love it. I love it.
That's boss. Iron Man.
Oh, you talking about him? Oh, okay. I thought that was calling you Iron Man. I was about to say, all right.
Name, I like that.
I like that
Man.
name, Iron Man Trading. That's dope. Y'all keep telling me gold. I swear there's nothing going on with gold, unless there is nothing. Moving forward, anybody that comes in my chat that wants to speak, y'all gonna have to be like a solicified member, like a certified member, certified member. And people is definitely obese for gold. It will do one little pip and everybody's like, trade gold, let's get in gold. I'm like, well, what are we getting in? Yeah, oil TP finally officially smashed on TradingView. Once again, this is why I love oil. Oil proves me wrong, proves me right every single time.
Yeah. Damn.
UK oil too was, you know, I'm surprised you don't really trade this pair as much, do you?
No, they're exactly the same, so I don't really get it. They're exactly the same.
Yeah.
The only difference is the numbers are slightly higher.
Yeah, that's true.
So, and I fell upon US oil. Well, I see it as crude and Brent. There's the different types of oil.
Yeah. Yeah, oil's going, man. This is the time where we should start seeing either. I mean, it's going at this point. There's nothing happening from here but just going. Like I said,
this is NAS oil again.
Yeah, this is why I love oil. This is why I love oil, guys. Neil, how long are you up? Hey, we got King O'Neil in here too. We got everybody in here now. Okay, hold on.
You can replace me.
No, I'm gonna keep both y'all in here. Unless you leaving me. Unless you leaving.
No.
Yo, King O'Neil, what's going on, brother?
I'm good, man. How you been?
I'm good.
Yo.
There we go.
Wow, how many Macs have you got?
It's all for work, man. It's all for work.
Yeah. Nice.
Yo, King O'Neil, what's going on? All right, I'm gonna have to figure out a different nickname for y'all.
It's a strong name.
Yeah, for sure. Hey, what's going on, brother? How you doing too? You good?
Yeah, man. I called out my first signal today, so that went well.
What signal did you call out?
Gold.
You called out a gold trade? When? Oh, you did at like 6:40 a.m. or something like that, right?
Yeah.
And your trade was like over here or something, right?
Yep.
Sheesh. That was a sniper entry. Well, you took it off of the 5-minute?
1 minute. I think it was the 5-minute POI that I had though.
5-minute POI? That's crazy. You know, that's crazy. I seen what you said. I seen what you seen. I was like, that's what's up. I was knocked out at the time, but I was like, that's what's up. I like that. That's fire. See, and you know what's crazy about y'all too, man? If y'all call out a trade, there was one trade I took from Neil, and you posted setup, and I actually took a trade off that on my other account, and it actually went in profit. I don't think I took it all the way to profit, but I definitely took it to somewhere. But I swear, man, y'all call out some fire trades too, man. Like this oil trade, I would not have seen that. I ain't even gonna lie. Obviously, I was asleep, but I don't think I still would have paid attention to that. But I see it.
Yeah, it's all thanks to you, though, man. So appreciate it.
Man, I appreciate that. But hey, I just say, look, I'm just giving out the information that I was given, provided. So what about this oil, man? Y'all still in the oil? By the way, if anybody is still in oil, y'all need to move y'all stops to break even. And just see what happens from here. Cause I don't want to scare nobody, but it is a possibility, like any possibilities out. We could still actually just react off of this and go straight up now. But I don't know, man. It can go either way. It can go either way. Yo, King O'Neil, what trades? What's your favorite pair you like to trade?
Oil, gold, and EJ right now, but EJ left me.
EJ ain't doing none.
There was a liquidity phase that happened, but I missed it.
Yeah? What, EJ?
Yeah, if I could show you.
You could actually share your screen. I think Neil said you go. Neil, what did you do to share your screen?
It's down the bottom right. Go back to the
Yeah.
Go back to the channel. Yeah. Do I need to stop sharing mine?
Do I need to stop sharing mine too? Oh no, there we go. All right, we got you live. I'm gonna put you on the big screen.
You can see that?
Yeah, you should be good.
I don't know if you can see it or not.
Yeah, we can see it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, right here you can see the liquidity phase. Phase 1 went down, came back up, tapped into this POI here, 30 minutes. And it was moving a little slow at first, so that's why I didn't get in because I didn't see enough momentum, but then it just started dropping.
Yo, that joint took off.
I was waiting for it to pull back, but it never did.
It took off. I had to turn you up in the volume. Yeah, it took off. What the heck? It did a liquidity phase though. Definitely did. But there was no pullback.
No pullback.
That's like NASDAQ right now. What in the world? That's crazy. You guys see how active this liquidity phase thing is? Like, gosh, Lee. But there was no pullback though. Yeah, I feel you, man. Okay. Yeah, I gotta create a new layout because I gotta figure out how to place y'all somewhere moving forward. But yeah, guys, so oil is still full in effect right now, and then gold ain't doing nothing right now.
I'm not looking at gold right now either.
Yeah, no, gold's been doing nothing but like, a matter of fact, let me go on a 1 hour and see where we've been at lately, because I've been on a 5 minute this long. Yeah, we've been in this POI level that I've been talking about for the past, jeez, 2 weeks now. Excuse me. Last week we were here. This week we're here. Somebody said just put Neil right on the oil charts when he's live. Since everyone moved to NASDAQ. Yeah, I think everybody just moved to NASDAQ for sure. 100%. I think everything is starting. It's either like, guys, at this point, it's either like, if you're not in something, you just missed out on everything. That's kind of how I feel. Now that you just showed me euro yen, oil only play might have an oil left, but at this point, oil could just be consolidating at this point. Guys, I want to talk to you guys about one important thing that a lot of y'all should know. It's called like mental. I mean, there's 2 traders down here below me. They can also say the same thing. King O'Neil, how long you been trading?
Going on 2 years now.
Going on 2 years. And Neil, you said you've been trading for a year. And just to ask for y'all two, just for trading for like a year and 2 years, what do y'all say is the most important thing to master in the art of trading in y'all eyes, in your minds?
Discipline. Waiting for the setups. That was the hardest part.
Yeah. Patience, and the FOMO, fear of missing out.
Fear of
I used
missing.
to trade a lot too. So
yeah, like that oil trade there, we missed out, but I would have tried selling it now, and look, it's going back again.
Oh wait, you would have got in another sell position?
When I first started out, yeah.
Oh,
that was the first thing I had to get over, was trying to stop my fear of missing out.
I think that's the number one thing. Fear of missing out is like a lack of patience for a lot of y'all traders. Like I'm saying like everyone else is like, you guys will get in a trade and then you'll be like, oh, you know what? Let me get in it now just because I see it's going down. But then the moment you get in the trade, you realize it goes up. So now you get mad. You probably flock out, or you probably might just be like, you probably reconfigure your whole mental on this whole setup. And then you might just say, you know, it is going to go up. Let me buy it now. And then it goes right back down.
Yeah.
I swear, man. I used to do that. I swear I used to be like that. My first 3 years of trading, I was still doing that, man. That's the hardest part.
I hope people caught. If anyone's listening now, if they caught NAS, they're my hero. Look at it. It's about to tap the 12,000, and I just
yo, missed out on all of that. But I'm still trying to figure out where the heck I would have got in on this trade. I don't even think I would have got in on this trade. I still wouldn't know. Like me personally, I could say here probably would have been it, but yeah. Damn. It's taking me 4 years to work that out. Yeah, I feel you. Once again, guys, if y'all new to my channel, I need everybody to go ahead and make sure y'all tap in. Let me see what we got going on.
Everything is intention, but still I tend to do it wrong. Can you fault me for wanting you? Was you let alone? Both hurt, but I wasn't telling you. I just thought it ought to be what I was supposed to do. Else I wouldn't approach
12. Yeah, y'all, I don't see no other setups right now. I really don't see anything else happening right now. You said 2.6. What you say?
It looks like the news took everything.
And there's supposed to be some other news that was supposed to be all day too, right? That affects everything. Yeah, it's supposed to be like a G2, G20 meeting or something like that.
Yeah, I don't even know what that is.
I don't either, honestly. I have never. I mean, I've seen it before. Actually, I need to tap into it. It's medium news, but it's not nothing crazy. But I know somebody here in the chat knows.
The people that like the yen pairs, they got Japanese news at half 11 my time. Don't know what time that is your time.
You said 11 your time for Japanese news?
Yeah, half 11. Yeah, national. They've got their CPI data news.
Oh, that's at 6:30 my time. Well,
yeah,
6:30 my time.
That'll move the yen pairs, won't it?
Oh yeah, especially at that time. Yeah, 100%.
You trade at that time? Is that Asia?
I used to, but I stopped, man, because there's nothing that ever happens during that time. Like, only thing that actually moves is yen pairs, but I feel like with yen pairs, it's like a spike, and then after that, it's just like you missing the opportunity. You gotta wait until London. I don't know. Asian session isn't popular in my eyes. You said Biden fell up the stairs again. Oh my gosh. I don't know why that's funny, but that's funny. I'm sorry.
Is he still in Ukraine?
I don't know. What? You said it's the fact that the moment he said again, like this is just a common thing. Hey, that's funny. Hey, do y'all normally trade close during lunch time, Eastern time? I don't. I mean, I don't know about y'all too. I don't like trading during that time really. It's like up until 7 a.m. my time, all the way up until 11. I should have been in something, or should be in something. Otherwise, I missed the roller coaster, or I missed the ride.
I'm usually out around that time too.
Yeah, cause there's nothing going on at the time in my eyes. Nothing going on at the time. What do you think, bro? TP2 hits on U.S. oil. I don't know, man. Like I said, I feel like oil right now is really weird because if I go back on a 1 hour scale.
He was leaving Ukraine. The Iron Man said.
Oh, he was.
He fell up the stairs on Air Force One. Brilliant.
Oh my gosh. But looking at oil, we are in our my prime zone, right? Prime zones is my 5618. Anything in between there, I'm looking for price to get some type of reaction. And look left. Of course, you see that we have a lot going on here, right? I mean, if you got, like I said, guys, POI level is just another abbreviation of everything and above. Because if you guys trade institutional levels or major key levels, like look at this, or support and resistance, you can say this was support, you can say this all was resistance, you can say support resistance, you can call this a major key level. At the end of the day, this is a level of where price settled, and in my eyes, I just see it as if we have rejection off the 1 hour scale, even on the 4 hour. Golly, on the 4 hours even better. Like, look at this candle. Look at this. This is huge rejection right here. So I see nothing but going down later down the road. So I don't really see too much happening. It just gets a little scary when we get on a smaller scale. And that's why I have my strategy that I like to take one trade, ride it to 101. The second trade, move it to break even, let it ride to 1 or 2, because we could be wrong. We never know. You never know. Or Neil, he does the 50% halfway. So, you could definitely do that as well. King O'Neil, what do? You do
once to 101, I'll move the break even.
So you do what I do then, basically, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Like, yeah, so many different ways that you guys can finesse the market, man. Like, I don't even know where to go, but there's so many different ways you guys can finesse the market. But yeah. What are y'all saying? They keep telling him to stop running up the stairs. Are we still talking about Biden falling off the stairs? Oh my gosh, that's funny, man. Oil to the moon. I don't know. We tapped into a very important key level on a higher scale.
It'd be nice if it would test that line, wouldn't it, that I said? The break of structure and retest and come back down again.
From where? From that 5? From that
yeah, from that line we drew where it broke. It's not. It looks like it could be retesting it.
I think that might be true, man. I think so. I think I can agree with you. Like, this is the break.
It actually has just hit it and come down again.
It did. I think that's it right there, right? I say that's it.
Oh, did we get in?
Yeah, I definitely could say that's it, but I don't know.
There's something I don't want to get in the news in front of everyone.
Hey, a little pressure right now. I feel you.
Damn, this is like, if I was by myself, I'm like getting in now.
Bro, just do it. Just don't tell nobody what you're doing, bro. Don't even tell me what you're doing, bro. Just do it. It's crazy that you're saying that, though. I when I first started live, I was saying the same thing, like, you know what? And I told myself, like, you know what? I'm gonna just do lives like I'm trading my regular account. It's still hard because, like I said, you got this chat right here, and there's so many people like tapping in, and they'll be against everything that you're saying, but then you be like, am I wrong? Like, nah.
No.
Forget y'all. I'm sticking to my rules.
No, I'm liking the fact it broke my line. It broke that structure. Going back to retest it, and if this candle engulfs, then I might get in.
That's what I'm looking at too. That's crazy. I'm waiting to see what this candle does.
Yeah. Just
Our trend, then dropping. Yeah, I mean, you know what, guys? It was crazy. Like I said, on a 1 hour scale, we've been doing nothing but going, but rejecting this area. Even on the 4 hour, I mean, we got a whole hour left, but I would not see why that 1 hour candle would make this go all the way up. But it could be possible, but I don't see that happening. But on the 1 hour, we got rejection here, and then we got this beautiful engulfing candle happening now. So it's just like, in my eyes, we should be just dropping. Yeah, man. Nasdaq is about to hit this POI. I mean, this field point.
yeah, 12. It's hitting 12,000 for sure.
Guaranteed. Like, I can guarantee that for sure too.
It didn't quite hit it yesterday, and then we brought it back up again just to bring it back down again. That's the institutions that.
It already is at 12,000.
Is it? Oh,
Yeah.
not mine.
It hit 12,000. I'm talking about this low right here, roughly around here, right?
Oh no, I'm talking about NAS. Are you talking NAS?
Yeah, this Nasdaq.
Hang on. Hello?
But yeah, guys, so Nasdaq is dropping. I don't see what's going on with Nasdaq, but it's just dropping. I have not took a look at dollar, honestly. Dollar's been doing nothing but weirdness in my eyes. I was explaining dollar to myself earlier when I was driving, but I didn't have too much to really like focus into it. But I noticed that we took this low out, we pulled back off of this extreme, but then we had another break of structure here, so it's kind of like, sheesh. And I don't see that we reacted off that. Oh shoot! I see we reacted off that, and we're going up.
Yeah, it broke the most recent high.
On dollar, right?
Yeah. Should continue to keep going up.
I'm not complaining, but shit to get harder. I know what my worth is. I waited my turn. Look at me flourish. I want them to know what they're seeing right now is me beating my curses. I only got one life to live. Trying to keep my headspace clear.
Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to. Why can I not?
I went and became who they fear. She want me to be someone different.
Unlock this door.
Ice in my veins. Lately, it feel like my mind is out of their range. I'm healing.
There we go.
Pain. Let me stop for a minute to see all the shit that we never did think we would.
Yo, King O'Neil, you see anything else?
Nah, only other thing I was looking at was EJ, but that's gone. Looking at NAS, but nothing right now. DJ's coming into a POI point, but waiting.
Yeah, at this point, there ain't nothing happening. Oh shoot. Like I said, guys, the only thing I see right now is if I can get this engulfing candle with oil, there might be another entry with oil happening. But we shall see. We shall see. Just patiently waiting on this one. So US, what's the leverage on oil? I got my leverage at 1,500. Is today Thursday?
Yeah.
Gosh, Lee, what happened to this week? Man, the way this is moving though, it's so dry right now. What the heck? Yeah, he had angle trade. It's a crazy good leverage. Yeah. I'm actually going to be trying another broker starting next month. That's why I'm going to be doing my actual challenge. And like I told you guys, man, I'm going to be doing another prop funded challenge just because that is something I want to do for myself, just to see where I'm at with the mental again, because I haven't did a prop firm challenge in a while. I don't think, at least not can I remember. You said you got 5 live accounts with Hanko Trade. Sheesh. Yeah, I got 3. Yeah, and I got like 2 with Offspring FX. Yeah, I'm looking for Mike's too to see how this new prop firm is. I want to see if they good, everything's great, ain't got no problem with them. But if it was me personally, like I had told you guys before, right now at this time, the most accurate and the best prop firm in my eyes is FTMO and my Forex fund. Those are like the top 2 to me. Just because FTMO is the OG and everything with this. Excuse me, they got like the best, in my eyes, the best customer service. And then you got my Forex funds, which is unbeatable when it comes to pricing and what their requirements are for like just passing. I think they only want you guys to do like 5-6% on a second challenge, something like that. And they got different options too. They got different challenges you can do as well. So I like that a lot, man. I'm on my Forex 10K, made 25 in one day. Nice. You made $250 in one day. Nice. All right, guys, I'm seeing this 5-minute candle right here. Let's see how this looks. I want to put my stops above here. Just lower the rim, free my niggas, it's all in a pen. I hit it once, I'ma hit it again. She with me, you know she a 10, she a Barbie, you know I'm a kin.
Yo, sorry, I had to take a call then. How are we doing?
Yo, what's good? You scared me for a second. I was like, hold up. Yo,
Yeah,
you looking at? Are you good? You looking at oil right now? This is crazy.
Yeah, I did. I went to get in on that last candle, but now it's. Are you in?
Not yet.
That's a nice candle, isn't it? Oh.
My 101 is still sat here. But I'm kind of.
It's getting long, isn't it?
You a different breed now that you live.
I know. I'm going small. I'm in.
I got in a while ago.
Oh, y'all been got in? Oh snap! Y'all, I'm back in it again. 2 positions. Stop playing with me.
Yeah, 2 positions. I ain't got time to call that one out. You can do that on Discord.
Man, my typing skills on point. Sometimes it be too fast. Like market would move way too fast. Like I can't. Like I be usually. I usually will like give every number for TP levels, but sometimes I can't because it just be too fast. So I just be like TP's in red, because it just be moving so fast. All right, y'all, I'm back in it, but I'm not gonna. I can't. Y'all know how I am with that. I just can't stay in the trade and look at it. That's what I meant. I can't look at the trade. Is there anybody else here that witnessed that? Can you guys watch a trade while you're in a trade?
Definitely not me, no.
I can watch it.
You can watch it? I'm sorry, brother. I don't know how you do that.
Ain't get his name.
Is there anybody here that can watch a trade while they in a trade? Only watch the numbers going, bro. Wait. Bro. So you can watch your, I do. So for all of y'all that's saying that, even you, King O'Neil, if the trade was going left, you still would stay with the trade, right? Until it hits your TP?
Yeah.
Nice. That's what's up. No, it makes me panic. That's what I'm saying. I swear, I used to, you know what's crazy? I used to be able to watch it, but I still always had that urge, like, but I would still stay in the trade. It's so weird. I just can't watch it because it's just like it gets to me, but I can still stay in the trade.
I've just posted mine on VIP what I've done.
You said oil's going down. We hope. I love the rush of watching a trade. Nice.
No, no thanks.
Psychology. Psychology is number one in trading for sure. Right to USD. Let's see, the triangle light. A switch. Below.
King O'Neill got in a nice entry, didn't he? What, much earlier?
Which trade?
Yeah, on that one, he's just posted it. It looks he's gotten much earlier. Nice going.
Right by the floor. Right by the... Yeah. I can't watch the trade, man. I'm gonna leave that to y'all. DAX, man. I'm gonna start tapping into DAX moving forward. I'm gonna back test this one. I guess the same stuff. I'm gonna back test this this weekend and see how this looks.
Yeah. Okay.
But what is this call on your broker?
Germany 40.
Germany 40. Interesting. Okay. My stop loss for this one is, I got too many going on. 75.44. Yeah, about 75.44. That's where I'm at with it.
That's crazy how your broker has it hit 12,000. Oh, does it? Yeah,
no,
it does.
what NASDAQ? It here, no. See, 12,000. Oh wait,
it didn't quite hit. My broker didn't quite hit.
Yeah, it hit right here. On TradingView, it hit right here.
Yeah, but on well, broker, you're looking at Global Prime.
Global Prime.
On my broker, it didn't. It just missed it. 12,002. It got to.
Are you serious?
No. So yeah, serious.
I swear. See, that's so weird, man.
I can show you. So on Capital, it got to 12,002.6.
On Capital, it got to 12,002.6.
Yeah. Because I was saying that before I took the call, you were saying that. I was like, no, it's not hit. I've not had a ping yet.
That's crazy. That's what I hate. In the oil, that's what I'm saying. NASDAQ, indices, and commodities always, it's like uncoordinated when it comes to pricing. I don't know why. It's just so weird, man. I'm gonna be honest, man. If oil ain't moving right now, then I don't know what's about to be happening.
Yeah.
We got to be playing with emotions right now.
Just on that, going back onto that German 40 on that DAX, that officially went back into a bull market back in November, because ever since November it broke out of its downtrend and it's been going up and it's going back to its all-time high almost.
Really?
Yeah. Whereas NAS has been dropping, like the DAX has been going up and up and up.
Huh. You know, what's crazy that I'm looking at even on a bigger scale. I see how this moves very well. Because I'm noticing, like, notice how we got up, it consolidates, up, it consolidates, up, it consolidates. Nice.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is fire. On a, how many we got 1 more hour left on this 4-hour closure candle, but on a 1 hour we got it engulfing. We got wick rejections off this POY level. There's a lot of great things that's going on off of the higher scale for US oil to drop. Literally.
We're also at a psych level of 75, aren't we?
For what?
Oil? No way. I am. You're not. You're well below 75. That's weird.
That's what I'm saying. Like, it's pricing is so off.
Yeah. I'm
different.
So we all got different pricing?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
I've just bounced off 75 and back under it again.
Yeah, I'm at 74.83 right now.
Damn.
Yep, the same 74.83.
You at 74.83. What broker are you using? TVC, right?
Yeah, yep. TVC.
Y'all should be using TVC, but on y'all broker, where is your numbers at right now?
On my broker, 74.94 right now.
I'm at 74.98. That is so weird, bro.
I think my broker is off by like 10 cents.
Mine's got to be the same too, something like that, because I'm at 74.95, 96, 97, but we at 74.86. That's what I'm saying. It's so weird how this works. You said right. Hey, we all should be at least somewhere in profit. See, everybody's saying that 74.73. That is way off. You're like 20 cents way off from where it's at. FTMO is 74.70. Yeah, that's interesting. 74.91. Yeah. No, that's about right. All right, you count down now. You on 74.92, 74.91. My Forex funds is way off. Whoa, 75? You're like $1 off. Should I be worried? No, you should be fine. You should be in profit. It's just the numbers. Like I said, it's just it's their liquidity provider they use in the back end. Their service provider they're using in the back end is just off. They're using a different liquidity provider. Like every broker has their own liquidity provider. So I don't trade Forex at all. Not really. I trade nothing but indices and commodities now. In my eyes, Forex does nothing but this all day. And I'm tired of that. I want something like this. Gold, oil does that. NASDAQ just does this.
Yeah.
You're never going to catch a pullback unless you in at the right time. But, yeah, a lot of Forex pairs, I notice they do a lot of choppiness. If you guys go on like a higher scale, like a weekly scale, or like even like a yearly scale, daily, you could, same thing. You could definitely see nothing but this going on. That's just how I feel, man, when it comes to all that. By the way, guys, if any of you guys are new to my channel, I need all y'all to make sure y'all tap in, subscribe to the channel, and then also, guys, make sure you like the video too. Make sure you like the video. Everybody that's tapped in here, make sure you like up the video.
No, I just realized I haven't liked it. I'll like it for you.
Oh yeah, y'all haven't even liked the video yet, huh?
Done.
What does MS mean on your chart? Market shift. Another abbreviation of change of character, break of structure. There's so many other names I can't even think, but there's a lot of other names out there too. US 30. I want to put a poll out. Does anybody here prefer NASDAQ or US 30? The poll is open. I want to see where y'all at. Anybody here prefers NASDAQ or US 30? Wow, US 30 just went up, but then NASDAQ took over. I'm looking at the numbers in live right now, and I see NASDAQ is up. NASDAQ is up 60%.
That's how it moves in reality. It's slow and then suddenly goes.
Right?
Yeah.
I don't know. NASDAQ winning so far. We still about US 30 trying to catch up, but
50-50.
nah, we not there. We getting there though. We got 55 for NASDAQ. That's interesting. I'm surprised there's a lot of y'all actually trade US 30 now still. I didn't put S&P 500 because I felt like people trade it, but I don't know. Euro USD. Is the market dead right now? Or I mean, not dead. Is the market just froze up right now? Oh, I thought it did for a second. Wow, we're getting real close with US 30. All right, guys, I'm gonna end it right now. We're gonna end it right where the numbers at. So NASDAQ wins 56%. US 30 is close though. So guys, I need everybody to make sure that you are anybody here that is not tapped into Discord. Hold on. I don't even think I ever shared the Discord today. I think that this month is going to be the last month I'm going to be sharing the Discord for free. Or at least just for the public. If you're not already in, you know, you're just going to be missing out. So definitely tap in now.
That's good. Best thing I did.
You said best thing you did?
Yeah.
That's fire, man. US 30 would take your teeth out. I see a lot of y'all tapping in. Goodness gracious. Guys, once again, tap in, tap in, tap in. If y'all haven't on the Discord, I just shared it in the chat. I'm going to pin it real fast. So guys, if any of you guys are not in the in our VIP, make sure you guys join our VIP because tomorrow we're going to be going live in the VIP only. Tomorrow's Friday, so we're going to be going VIP only tomorrow. Last Friday we did good, actually. I think we did 2 winning trades, something like that. So make sure you guys are tapped in if you're not. Other than that, guys, like I said, we got our boot camp happening next month. So if you guys want to go ahead and join the boot camp, you definitely can. This US oil trade, we still on it. I'm still riding it out. I'm gonna keep you guys posted on this. I'm actually about to sign out. We about to sign out, guys. So yeah, everybody that's not tapped in, make sure you tap in. And then for y'all two, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. And everybody else that's tapped in the VIP, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep y'all posted on this trade. I mean, we all in it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we all in it. So we shall see. Somewhat. We shall see what's happening. But other than what you say?
That was like 2 pips away from my TP1.
For real?
Yeah.
I still see it going down, man. I still see it going down. I actually see it playing with emotions at this point.
Yeah. Cool. Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Solo.
All right, no problem, y'all. Everybody, peace. Shout out to both Nils, King O'Neil and Neil for tuning in the session today. Otherwise, y'all, I'll see y'all Monday. Everybody else, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace, y'all.
See ya.
If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we be taking everything for granted, no lie. Cause I remember days that we could barely get by. Used to use the negativity to get high. But now the comments we reading can ruin our lives. Why? It used to be easy back on Easy Street. Hollywood ain't that good, it's going down like it's on a needed beat. Even though now it's lobster, all on top of my pasta. I can still feel locked up, like the head of a roster. Cause they'll take your soul from right up under your nose and make you feel like you did it just to obtain your goals. Oh yeah, it's good when you get it, but it don't last that long. Cause I promise you can't take it with you when you gone. That's why I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we can learn from other people's failures sometimes. I used to make believe and tell a plethora of lies. Now I see how actions take effect on my life. Cause I don't even have a portrait of this family of mine. I used to be speeding back on Easy Street. Hollywood ain't that good, it's going down like it's on a needed beat. Even though I got options, every tree in this garden, I can still feel lost, cause every day I wonder, yeah. Will they take my soul from right up under my nose and make me feel like I did it just to obtain my goals? I mean, it's good when you get it, but it don't last that long. Cause I promise you can't take it with you when you gone. That's why if I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5.